Welcome. This tutorial will show you how to set up a project page on Ravelry for an Expression Fiber Arts Knit Along or Crochet Along. First, go to Ravelry and log into your account. You want to find the Forums link, which looks like a little speech bubble icon that is to the right of the Messages icon that looks like an envelope that's located on the top right side of every page on Ravelry. These icons are part of a header. If you're on a mobile device, that header may disappear when you scroll down, but will reappear as soon as you scroll back up. Click on the Forums link. You will need to go to the Expression Fiber Arts group forums. If you are a member of the Expression Fiber Arts group, which you will need to be to participate in the Expression Fiber Arts Knit Along and Crochet Along contests, the Expression Fiber Arts group forums will be one of the boards on your main forums page. You may need to scroll down in order to find it. If you have not yet joined the Expression Fiber Arts group on Ravelry, pause this video and scroll down to the video description. Find the link for the tutorial video for Step 1, join the Expression Fiber Arts group on Ravelry, and follow those instructions before continuing. Now, once you get to the Expression Fiber Arts group, click the link for the currently running Knit Along or Crochet Along that you would like to participate in. The currently running Expression Fiber Arts Knit Along and Crochet Along threads can always be found at the very top of the list in your Expression Fiber Arts forum board. For the purpose of this demonstration video only, I will be using the threads for an older, already finished Knit Along and Crochet Along instead of the current contests, so please remember that you need to apply the steps I am showing here to the active Knit Along or Crochet Along that you want to join. Click on the Knit Along or Crochet Along that you are going to join, and then find the very first post. If it is the first time that you've opened that forum, the first post will be the very first one you see. You can locate it by looking for the number 1 at the top right of the post. However, if the forum you open has some posts that you've already read on that forum, all you need to do is simply scroll up or down and use the numbers at the top or bottom of each page to get back to the first page. Clicking on this 1, either at the top or the bottom, will always take you back to the first page with the contest announcement and rules post at the very top. The very first post contains all of the information you'll need to be able to participate, so please read it through very carefully. In order to set up your project page, there are several pieces of information you will need from this first post. It is my suggestion that you plan to use multiple tabs in your browser so that you can move back and forth between the project page you are creating and this first post. In the first post, locate the link for the item that you will be knitting or crocheting. Right-click, or if you are using a mobile device, long hold that link and open it in a new tab or in the background. Now, open that new tab you just created. In most cases, the link should take you to the Ravelry pattern page for the knitted or crocheted item. However, if the link from the Knit Along or Crochet Along post takes you instead to the pattern page on the Expression Fiber Arts website, have no fear. Simply make note, first, of the main picture on that page, and then copy the pattern name. Simply switch back to your Knit Along or Crochet Along tab. Now, right-click or long hold the Patterns link at the top left of the page and open that in a new tab or in the background. Open that page, and in the Search Patterns box, simply paste the pattern name that you copied and hit Enter or Go, or select the little magnifying glass and click it to begin your search. You're looking for the pattern that has the same picture as you saw on the main page of the Expression Fiber Arts website page. Click that link, and that will take you to the Ravelry pattern page. Once you find the Ravelry pattern page for a Crochet Along item, look to the top right side of the page for the Create Project link, which has a small crochet hook next to it. Before I continue, let's look at a Ravelry pattern page for a Knit Along item. As you can see, it's very similar. The only difference is, for a Knit Along, you're going to be looking for the Cast On Project link with the small knitting needles next to it, still located on the top right side of the page. Whether you are doing a Knit Along or a Crochet Along, you want to go ahead and click that link. The box that pops up provides an option to name your project right now, which you're welcome to do. However, you are always able to change the name later if you want some time to think about it, or you're not sure you want to change the name. Click the Create This Project button. You have now created your own project page with the pattern information that is now linked to it. Now it's time to edit the project page with the necessary information to participate in the Knit Along or Crochet Along. At the top right of the page, find the little pencil icon next to Edit Project and click that link to begin editing your project. As you can see, a new project starts out with quite a bit of empty space. You are not required to fill all of the blanks in. Simply add the information that you want to have saved, and you can leave the rest empty. For the purposes of the Expression Fiber Arts Knit Along or Crochet Along, the necessary information is the required tag and eventually the required project photo or photos. It can also be very helpful to other participants if you include information about the yarn that you are using, but that is completely optional. Let's deal with the required tag. Go ahead and switch back to the Knit Along or Crochet Along page, and in the first post you need to find the tag that you need to add. Select and copy the entire tag. The tag will usually include EFA, the year, and either CAL for Crochet Along or KAL for Knit Along, but it also may have more information. Once you've selected the entire tag, copy it, Then you're going to switch back to your pattern page, and you are going to paste that tag in the tags field. You can continue from here, filling in any other information you'd like. For instance, if you want to switch back to the Knit Along or Crochet Along tab, you can find relevant dates, like the start date and the end date. And add that information to your project page. I'm going to take the ending date here. I'm going to copy it, and then I'm going to paste that in the Finish By field right here, just to remind me when I need to have my project finished. Keep in mind we're using an old project that's already completed. Once you've finished filling in whatever you would like to fill in on your project page for now, click the Save Changes button, and that saves your project, and you can go back and edit it again later anytime you want, simply by clicking the Edit Project button here or the Edit link up at the top. That covers the basics of putting together your project page for an Expression Fiber Arts Knit Along or Crochet Along. If you need help completing any of the other steps that are required to participate, you can find tutorial videos for those using the links in the description of this video. We look forward to you joining us.